Whether you're looking for your next residence or your next investment opportunity, location matters, and it doesn't get much better than this. This 3-bed, 2.5-bath townhome offers functional space, modern finishes, a 1-car garage, and low-maintenance living. Spend your summer afternoons relaxing by the pool rather than worrying about yard work. Located right off a Y Road, Cool Water Townhomes is right in the middle of everything Lake of the Ozarks has to offer. Newer construction feel, unbeatable location, a community pool. What more could you ask for? Give us a call today and we'll schedule your private tour.